Today topic is isomerism. Isomerism classifies two categories. One is a structural isomerism and second stereo isomerism. Structures as isomerism classify number one chain isomerism, number two position isomerism, number third functional isomerism, number four metamerism, number five tautomerism. Stereoisomers classify three class. One is a cis trans isomerism. Second, optical isomerism. Third, conformational isomerism. This is the classification of isomerism. Isomerism. Isomerism is defined as two or more than two compound having same molecular formula but different physical or chemical properties is called isomers, and phenomena is called isomerism. It means two or more than two compound having same molecular formula what differ in a properties is called isomers, and phenomena is called isomerism. Isomerism classify in two categories. One is number first structural isomerism. Structures isomerism means two or more than two compound which have same molecular formula. Same molecular formula. What they have different structure is called structural isomers, and phenomena is called structural isomerism. Two are more than two compound having same molecular formula but they have different structure is called structural isomers and phenomena is called structural isomerism. Structural isomers classify in number 1 chain isomerism or skeletal isomerism. Chain isomerism means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon in straight line is called normal butane. 1, 2, 3. And this is one carbon in the form of branch. This is called branch hydrocarbon and name of it is isobutane. Butane and isobutane both have formula C4H10 but what is a different compound? They have different properties then is called chain isomers and phenomena is called chain isomerism. Two or more than two compounds which differ in a structure's arrangement of carbon in carbon chain is called chain isomers and phenomena is called chain isomerism. Next example देखिए pentane C5H12 1 2 3 4 5 5 carbon in a straight line. This is called normal pentane. Second is 1 2 3 4 and this is a branch. It means difference in structures of chain of carbon. This is called isopentane. Next is a 1 2 3 4 5. Second last carbon bonded with 2CH3 is called neopentane. It means number 1 normal pentane, number 2 isopentane, number 3 neopentane have C5H12 same molecular formula but differ in properties. They are called chain isomers and phenomena is called chain isomerism. Number next 1 2 3 4. This is example of butane dash 1 all or butanol. 1 2 3 and 4. This is called isobutanol. And next is this is called tertiary butanol. It means molecular formula is C4H9OH. Compound is butanol, isobutanol and next is tertiary butanol. मीन्स टर्सरी कार्बन है ना. आईपीसी नाम लिख दे 1 2 3. टर्सरी ब्यूटेनॉल आर समटाइम्स कॉल्ड टर्सरी ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल. टर्सरी ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल. tertiary butyl alcohol and IUPAC name is 123 2 methyl propane dash 2 all. First, second and third have molecular formula is C4H9OH, but they differ in a structural formula. They are called chain isomers and phenomena is called chain isomerism. Second, position isomerism. Position change. देखते हैं नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon is a tetravalent. The name of this organic compound is but dash 1 in 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon always is a tetravalent. Name of this compound is but dash 2 in 1, 2. Molecular formula is C4H8. But 1 in, but 2 in, both have same molecular formula, but position of functional group are different in what example. They are called position isomers and phenomena is called position isomerism. In the given example, butene have two type organic compound, but 1 in, but 2 in. Both have same molecular formula, but they have different position of functional group. Then it is called position isomers and phenomena is called position isomerism. Example second, C4H9OH. 1, 2, 3, 4. The functional group attach number first carbon. Second example, the functional group attached with second carbon. This is called butane-1 all, and this is butane-2l 2 all. What is the difference in both structures? Alkylic group occupy are attached with different carbon in a chain. It means the position of the functional group in both example are different. Example, C4H9OH having two type compound. One is a butane 1 all, second is a butane 2 all. Alkylic functional group position in both example are different. Then what is called position isomers and phenomena is called position isomerism. Next example, 1, 2. What halogen attached with neighbor carbon, and in this second example, what halogen attached with same carbon? The name of this compound is 1, 2 dichloroethene. Sorry, ethane. And second is a 1, 1. First position but it's 1, 2. 1, 1 dichloroethane. Next example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tetravalent carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C4H6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. But dash 1 ine. And this is but dash 2 ine. It means functional group in a different position. But 1 ion after first carbon, but 2 ion after second carbon. Then both have same molecular formula. What position of functional group is differentiated, then what is called position isomers and phenomena is called position isomerism. Second example, next, double bond, single, double, single. This is called conjugated system. 1, 2. The name of this compound 1, 2 dichlorobenzene or ortho dichlorobenzene. Next is Cl in meta position. The name of this meta dichlorobenzene. It means functional group occupy different position, and this is para dichlorobenzene. Next is functional isomerism. Functional isomerism. Functional isomerism means explained by this example. C2H5OH. The name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. 1COC. Second carbon. Name of this compound is dimethyl ether. Counting of the carbon 1, 2. Then C2, H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S6, oxygen 1. Ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether both are differentiated compound, but they have same molecular formula C2H6O, but they are differ in a functional group. Then they are called functional isomers, and phenomena is called functional isomerism. Two or more than two compounds which have same molecular formula but they are differ in a or they have differentiated functional group is called functional isomers and process called functional isomerism. फिर से सुन लीजिए, two or more than two compound having same molecular formula but they have differentiated functional group is called functional isomers and phenomena is called functional isomerism. In the given example, molecular formula C2H6O, two type compound number 1 ethyl alcohol, number 2 dimethyl ether. Next is C2H5COOH. This is a carboxylic acid compound 213. Name of this compound is propanoic acid. CH3COO and CH3. This is ester. Name of this compound is methyl ethanoate. Molecular formulas and number of carbon 213 C3 H516 S6 O2. Here is also 1 2 3 C3 H 336 हो गया O2. C3H6O2 is molecular formula of propanoic acid and also methyl ethanoate, both having different functional group. Then they are called functional isomers and phenomena is called functional isomerism. Next is C2H5NO2. Name of this compound nitroethane, and second is C2H5 is called ethyl nitrite. What have the same molecular formula but functional group is different. Molecular formula is C2 1 2 3 4 5 H5NO2. Another example is CH3CN, ethane nitrile, generally is called methyl cyanide. CH3NC is called methyl isocyanide. What her formula is C2H3N. Molecular formula is similar, but functional group both have differentiated. One is cyanide, second is isocyanide. Next is 1 2 3. Molecular formula is, बाद में काउंटिंग करते हैं ना. Name of this compound is propyl amine, and this is the primary amine. Next is 1 2 CH3, C2H5, 3 carbon, and this is H, is called ethyl methyl amine, and this is secondary amine. Next is CNCC, CH3, CH3, CH3. This is tertiary amine, and name of this compound is trimethylamine. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Molecular formula is C3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 H9N. यहाँ भी काउंट करते हैं. C3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. क्लियर हुआ ना? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Molecular formula is C3H9. What? First, second, third, having different functional group, primary, secondary and tertiary amine. They are called functional isomers, and phenomena is called functional isomerism. In aromatic compound, conjugated system, double, single, double and single, double. CH2 is called benzyl. This group is called benzyl, and this side carbon bonded with alkylic group. The name of it is benzyl alcohol. Another example, C6H5O CH3. Name of this compound is methyl phenyl ether. And next is OH and CH3, ortho methyl phenol. Molecular formula is, काउंट करते हैं, 6 तो यहां होगा चेन में, 1 ये 7, C7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. फिर से काउंट करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 C7H8O. Molecular formula. What compound? First is a benzyl alcohol, second is a methyl phenyl ether, and next one is orthomethyl phenol. They have different functional group, but they have same molecular formula. Then it is called functional isomers, and phenomena is called functional isomerism. Next is metamerism. What is the means of metamerism? Two or more than two compounds which have the different alkyl group but they have same functional group. Example में clear हो गया ना? देखते हैं सब. 1 2 O 1 2. Number of carbon definitely 4. Number of hydrogen is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. C4H10. Oxygen 1. C4H10O. And name of this organic compound and definitely functional group is ether. Diethyl ether. In condensed formula C2H5O C2H5. What is a similar alkyl group? Ethyl. Second example is CH3O C3H7. What is the difference? CH3O C3H7. First is a similar functional group. What have different alkyl group? In the example number first, what is a ethyl? In example number second, one is a CH3 methyl and second is propyl. Second is propyl. It means two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula and also functional group, but they differ or different, they having different alkyl group is called metamers and phenomena is called metamerism. Again, two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula and also functional group, but they having different alkyl group is called metamers and phenomena is called metamerism. In the given example, C4H10O is a molecular formula. Diethyl ether having what alkyl? Ethyl group. Second is a methyl propyl ether. In second example, one is a methyl, second is a propyl. It means this example having different alkyl group. What molecular formula is C4H10O. It means what is metamers and phenomena is called metamerism. Next example, C2H5 N C2H5 and H. This is an example of second amine. The name of this compound first is a C2H5. Second alkyl is also C2H5. The name of this diethyl amine. Next is CH3N C3H7. Nitrogen trivalent NH. This is also example of second amine. What here? One is a alkyl CH3 and another is propyl. What molecular formula is C4H? काउंट करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 C4H11N यह भी काउंट करते हैं N1 हो गया 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 what have same molecular formula and also functional group but different alkyl attached with functional group atom then what is called metamerse and phenomena is called metamerism. Next example 1 2 3. Number of carbon is 5. Counting of carbon 1 2 3 4 5 are 1 2 3 4 5. Carbonyl group in position number 3rd. Counting from left to right or right to left. The name of this compound is 5 carbon pentane dash 3 on. Why 3? Because ketone group on the 3rd carbon. Second is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane dash 2. Why 2? Because functional group ketone on 2nd carbon. Pentane dash 2 on. Molecular formula is C5. Counting of H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C4 H10 and oxygen is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oxygen 1. Pentane 2 on. Pentane 3 on. What having C5H10O molecular formula and also same functional group but they have different alkyl group. In example number 1, pentane 3 on what is ethyl alkyl group. But in example number 2nd, pentane 2 on one is a CH3 methyl and second is C3H7 propyl. Then what example so is metamerism. Next is tautomerism. This isomer is very interesting. Generally is called ketoenol form. Ketoenol form. Keto means carbonyl functional group. Enol means two functional group. One is a ene, second is a ol. Ol means alcoholic functional group. Example. CH3 CO CH3. Name of this compound is dimethyl ketone or acetone and IPAC name is propanone. Again CH3 CO CH3. CO is carbonyl functional group. What remain valency of carbonyl group carbon saturated by the carbon? Then This carbonyl group is called here ketone. It means ketone is a functional group. This carbon attached with functional group carbon. This carbon attached with functional group carbon atom. Then this carbon is called alpha carbon. This carbon is also attached with functional group atom carbon. Then this is also is called alpha carbon. For difference, one is alpha, second is a alpha dash. And this is a hydrogen. And this hydrogen is called alpha hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. This is also called alpha hydrogen. It means the carbonyl group attached with carbon is called alpha carbon, and attached hydrogen with alpha carbon is called alpha hydrogen. And alpha hydrogen nature is a acidic. According concept, CO is a carbonyl group. One bond sigma, second is a pi. And this carbonyl carbon attached with alpha carbon. And alpha carbon attached with 3 alpha hydrogen. And this alpha carbon is also attached with 3 hydrogen. And this is called keto form. Pi bond, one is a sigma, second is a pi. Pi bond is a B. Then electrons of pi bond transfer from carbon to oxygen. Then pi bond transfer from carbon to oxygen. Then oxygen carries a negative charge, carbon is carry positive charge. And this is a CH3 and another alpha carbon. Then this carbon is a electron deficiency. Number of bond here 1, 2, 3. One bond contain 2 electrons. Then 3 bond contain only 6 electrons. It means this carbon behave as a electron deficiency carbon. Then the CH bond means alpha hydrogen having acidic nature. Then this electron pair between carbon and hydrogen transfer from carbon to hydrogen. When the electrons transfer from hydrogen to carbon, then this carbon having one electron pair and negative charge. भाई आप कहेंगे एक कार्बन के पास एक इलेक्ट्रॉन था, ये किसने दिया बेटा? हाइड्रोजन ने दिया, तो चार्ज कैसा आएगा? नेगेटिव आ गया. And this carbon is positive. And this is a CH3. And this oxygen is a negative. हाइड्रोजन कैसे निकले यहां से? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पॉजिटिव. देन दिस पॉजिटिव हाइड्रोजन moving towards side where is carry negative charge. Then hydrogen bonded with O. Then this is alcoholic group. Again carbon 2 hydrogen only remain 2 alpha hydrogen. This is CH3. This carbon is a positive and this carbon carry 2 electrons and negative charge or electron pair and negative charge. अब क्या होगा? This carbon carries a positive charge means electron deficiency. This carbon having one electron pair, then it behave as a electron rich. Then this carbon donate the one electrons. जैसे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा तो इसमें से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल गया. इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे होता है? निगेटिवली होता है. इससे नेगेटिव चार्ज भी क्या होगा? चला जाएगा. अब जो इलेक्ट्रॉन इस कार्बन ने दिया वो गया कहां? दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच कार्बन टू इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंसी कार्बन. तो वो इलेक्ट्रॉन से यहां आ जाएगा. जैसे ही कार्बन एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को लेगा तो इसका जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज था वो कैसे हो जाएगा? न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा. दिस कार्बन हैविंग वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस कार्बन इज आल्सो हैविंग वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. थोड़ा इस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को हम थोड़ा सा राइट साइड खिसकाते हैं ना. दिस कार्बन इज हैविंग आल्सो वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. वन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अनपेयर्ड. अल्फा कार्बन कैरी वन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अनपेयर्ड कैरी carbonyl carbon. Then what is formed? new pi bond between two carbon. Then alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon bonded with ene. Number 2, carbonyl carbon change into alcoholic group. Alcoholic group suffix is a ol. Then short form is called ene plus ol is called enol. Then acetone exists in the two form. One is a ketone or keto form. Second is enol form. Then this isomerism is called keto-enol isomerism or tautomerism. Second example, CH3 CO CH2 CO CH3. The name of this example is acetyl acetone. This is a alpha carbon because this carbon bonded with functional group. देखो ये कार्बन इस फंक्शनल ग्रुप से भी अटैच है, यही कार्बन इस फंक्शनल ग्रुप से अटैच है. कार्बोनिल क्या था हमारा? कार्बन इज अ फंक्शनल ग्रुप. Then this carbon is a alpha carbon and bonded with two alpha hydrogen. Then this alpha hydrogen is a strong acidic nature. According Arrhenius, if the substance release hydrogen in the form of H positive is called acid. According Arrhenius, if species donate the hydrogen ion is called acid. तो यहाँ से जब हाइड्रोजन निकलेगा तो किस फॉर्म में निकलेगा? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पॉजिटिव. अभी देखिए कार्बोनिल, ये भी कार्बोनिल, दिस इज कॉल्ड कीटो फॉर्म. अब क्या होगा? ये जो हाइड्रोजन है यहां से निकल के कहां चला जाएगा? देखो यहां भेजते हैं तो क्या होगा? ये CH3 COH. नेक्स्ट इज C. देखो H निकल गया ना यहां से. अब यहाँ ओनली H अल्फा H ओनली वन बचे रिमेन होगा, बचेगा है ना, COCH3. And carbon is a tetravalent. Carbon here 1 2 3 trivalent. Then two carbon bonded by the double bond. One is a ene, second is a alkyl group ol, and then combined form is called enol. It means acetyl acetone exists in a two form. One is a keto, second is a enol. Then it is called keto-enol isomerism or tautomerism. What CH3 CO CH2 CO CH3. This carbon is a alpha carbon and this hydrogen is called alpha hydrogen. This is a form is a keto form. And name of this compound is acetyl acetone. And second is CH3 COH. Alpha H transfer from alpha carbon to oxygen of carbonyl group. CH CO CH3. Carbon is a tetravalent 1 2 3. This is called enol form. And keto-enol form not separated. It means alpha hydrogen in a dynamic conditions transfer from alpha carbon to oxygen of carbonyl group. Then keto change to enol and enol change into keto form. This is a dynamic equilibrium conditions. We are not able to separate of the keto and enol form of the acetyl acetone. Then this is called dynamic equilibrium isomerism. ketoenol is a dynamic equilibrium isomerism because what ketoenol form no possibility we are able to separate of keto and enol form of acetyl acetone. Next is a stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism means two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula, but they have different arrangement atom or group of atom around the carbon, around the center carbon. फिर से सुनिए, two or more than two compound having same molecular formula but they have different spatial arrangement of atom or group of atom is called stereoisomers and phenomena is called stereoisomerism. Again, two or more than two compound having same molecular formula but they have different arrangement of atom or group of atom within a molecules is called stereoisomers and phenomena is called stereoisomerism. Number first, cis and trans isomerism is called geometrical isomerism. Cis or trans isomerism are called geometrical isomerism. Be explain of this exam cis and trans isomerism by this example. Two carbon bonded with double bond. It means no possibility rotation of the one carbon with respect to another carbon because sigma bond on the axis, sigma bond within internuclear axis and pi bond one is above to internuclear axis and second cloud of pi bond below to internuclear axis. फिर से सुन लीजिए, इन केस ऑफ द डबल बॉन्ड one bond is a sigma bond is a form overlapping head on overlapping within internuclear axis and pi bond form by the sidewise overlapping of the orbital, then form is a pi molecular orbital, one is a above two plane, second is a below two plane, then no possibility the rotation of the one carbon with respect to another carbon, then attach carbon or atom or group of the atom, no possibility change their position in a space. In this example, hydrogen, chlorine, हाइड्रोजन एंड क्लोरीन. अब ये नहीं हो सकता है एक कार्बन को हम पकड़ के दूसरे कार्बन को घुमा दे तो वो घूम जाए. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें पाई बॉन्ड है और पाई बॉन्ड के दो लोग होते हैं, वन इज अबव टू प्लेन, सेकंड इज बिलो टू प्लेन. देन स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ द एटम, नो पॉसिबिलिटी चेंज, हम इसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. क्लोरीन सेम एटम अटैच with carbon same side. And another example, one Cl second Cl in an opposite side. तो एग्जाम्पल जो फर्स्ट है उसमें दोनों हेलोजन एक तरफ है और एग्जाम्पल जो हमने सेकंड बनाया उसमें क्या है, दोनों हेलोजन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है. तो जब सेम एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ द एटम सेम साइड इज कॉल्ड सिस फॉर्म एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसफॉर्म. इसमें देखिए दोनों हेलोजन कहां है, एंटी पोजीशन पर है. व्हेन एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ द एटम सेम इन अ सेम साइड इज कॉल्ड सिस फॉर्म. इफ एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ द एटम सेम और अपोजिट पोजीशन और अपोजिट डायरेक्शन इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसफॉर्म. एंड द फार्मूला इज C2, H को काउंट कर ले 1 2 H2 एंड Cl2. C2H2Cl2 molecular formula and 2 is a compound, one is a cis dichloroethene, second is a trans dichloroethene. Second example, 1, 2, CH3, CH3. CH3 means group of the atom. 1, 2, and C, C. First CH3 and second CH3. What is the difference in what example? In the given example, in first, both methyl in a same side, but in example number second, both methyl in a opposite side. जब same side होती है is called cis form. When atom are group of the atom same in different side or opposite side is called transform. In given example, both methyl same side that is called cis isomers, and in a second example both methyl group of the atom opposite side then is called transform. The name of this compound is cis but dash 2 ene. Second is a trans but dash 2 ene. It means in a cis isomers, same atom or group of the atom same side. Transform, same atom or group of the atom opposite side.